Yo mga boss, Jess Usilaw. I am a tattoo artist from Cagayan de Oro. I also do vlogs and skits, but most of my video kay Bisaya, no? But since I am going to make a video of me doing a tattoo today, so English ko gamay para sa akong mga kliyente nga foreigner. I am a small-time video creator day mga bay. So if you feel like you wanna support, please click subscribe. Salamat dad. I already made a stencil for today. Muna siya kung itato, no? Isa ka long bond paper. This would probably take 3 to 4 hours. No? Angel. For my setup, I'm going to use dynamic black. And then ako lang din ang mag-mix. And then I am also using this Ink Protect. This is from Humphrey of Cebu. Tattoo Glide. So it would reduce the swelling while doing the tattoo. So if gatato ka, para di siya kahubag, no, muna siya kung gagamiton Ink Protect. But you can also use this as a tattoo aftercare. And then for my setup, I'm going to use dua ka liner o dua ka shader. And then ang akong mga tattoo supply, gakakuha din ako sa SG Guns Tattoo Supply. They have a branch in Singapore and they also have a branch in Cebu. So if you feel like you wanna buy some tattoo supplies today, i-message lang SG Guns Tattoo Supply nga page. Dali lang na sila ka istorya. No? So mag-start na to, no? Taod na to itong stencil. Ay, shout out dahil sa isa sa tattoo artist dahil sa Misamis Oriental, si Bryson. Locally made, siya rin nagbuhat aning stencil solution, no? Binignit. Salamat kay ani. Binignit stencil solution. It sounds like food but it's not. Stencil solution siya. So, ako rin testingan karon. Anyway, mag-start na ako. Enjoy.